Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of cutting-edge technology with our list of the top 5 best Dell laptops in 2024. If you're on the lookout for a powerhouse that combines performance and style, you're in for a treat. But before we unravel these technological marvels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all things tech, and check the links in the description for more details on these fantastic laptops. Now, let's dive into the future of laptops. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Dell Inspiron 16. This laptop proves that power doesn't have to come in a bulky package. With a sleek design and impressive performance, the Inspiron 16 is your perfect companion for both work and play. Step into a world of technological excellence with the Dell Inspiron 16 5630 laptop. Designed to redefine your computing experience, this laptop seamlessly blends style, power, and innovation to cater to the needs of modern professionals and tech enthusiasts. The Inspiron 16 boasts a stunning 16-inch 1610 FHD Plus display that not only delivers crisp visuals but also enhances your viewing experience with a taller aspect ratio. Marvel at the brilliance of colors and clarity that brings every detail to life. What's more, immerse yourself in rich, captivating sound with the upfiring speakers that elevate your audio experience to new heights. At the heart of this technological marvel beats the power of a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. Experience peak performance and ultra-efficient multitasking capabilities that ensure your computing tasks are handled seamlessly. Whether you're working on complex projects or indulging in multimedia entertainment, the Intel Core i7 processor delivers with precision. Say goodbye to sluggish loading times and welcome the speed of a 1TB SSD. Ample storage space meets lightning-fast data access, allowing you to store, retrieve, and transfer files effortlessly. The Dell Inspiron 16 ensures that your digital world is at your fingertips, ready to keep up with your pace. Stay at the forefront of operating system technology with Windows 11 Pro. Unlock a world of innovative features, enhanced security, and a user-friendly interface that adapts to your unique computing needs. Elevate your laptop ownership with premium services included. Benefit from premium support with Support Assist, a smart technology that keeps your PC performing at its best. Seamlessly transition from your old PC with Dell Migrate, ensuring that your data moves effortlessly to your new Inspiron 16. Enjoy an immersive multimedia experience with the Dolby Enhancement feature. Whether you're streaming content, participating in virtual meetings, or indulging in gaming sessions, the Dell Inspiron 16 delivers superior audio quality that complements its impressive visuals. In summary, the Dell Inspiron 16 5630 laptop is more than just a device, it's a gateway to a world where performance meets aesthetics. Elevate your computing experience with Dell's commitment to excellence and innovation. Welcome to a new era of laptop technology. Diving into the fourth spot, we have the Dell XPS 13. Considered an icon in the world of ultrabooks, the XPS 13 continues to redefine elegance and performance. Get ready for an immersive visual experience and unparalleled portability. Immerse yourself in a world of cutting-edge technology with the Dell XPS 13 9310 touchscreen laptop. This laptop is not just a device, it's a statement of style, power, and innovation. Let's explore the features that make the XPS 13 9310 a true powerhouse. Powered by the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 family mobile processors, the XPS 13 9310 redefines what's possible in a thin and light touchscreen laptop. Experience incredibly immersive entertainment, seamless multitasking, and swift responsiveness that sets a new standard for portable computing. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 technology, the Killer AX 1650 prioritizes streaming video, communication, and game traffic, ensuring fast and smooth online experiences. Say goodbye to lag and hello to uninterrupted connectivity, whether you're streaming, gaming, or connecting with friends and colleagues. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning visuals delivered by Dolby Vision content on the 13.4-inch UHD Plus display. Experience highlights that are up to 40 times brighter and blacks that are up to 10 times darker. Every detail comes to life, offering a visual feast for your eyes. Experience the convenience of an instant startup with the built-in lid sensor and press-fit hinge. Open the lid with one hand and power up in milliseconds, regardless of the power state. The XPS 13 9310 ensures that you're always ready to dive into your work or entertainment. Your XPS 13 comes with 1 year of Dell Premium support, providing you with priority access to dedicated experts anywhere, anytime, even when traveling internationally. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that your laptop is backed by Dell's commitment to customer satisfaction. Stay at the forefront of operating system technology with Windows 11 Home. Enjoy a user-friendly interface, enhanced security features, and a seamless computing experience tailored to modern needs. In summary, the Dell XPS 139310 touchscreen laptop is a masterpiece that combines style, power, and innovation. Elevate your computing experience with a device that goes beyond expectations. Welcome to a new era of laptop technology where excellence meets sophistication. Claiming the third position is the Dell Alienware X16R1. Gamers, brace yourselves. This laptop is a true revolution in gaming technology. With cutting-edge features and Alienware's signature design, the X16R1 takes gaming to a whole new level. Prepare to be immersed in the ultimate gaming experience with the Alienware X16R1 gaming laptop. Engineered for peak performance and designed for gaming enthusiasts, this laptop is a powerhouse that redefines what's possible in the gaming world. Experience gaming like never before with a 16-inch QHD Plus display boasting a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate. The display features 100% DCI P3 color gamut, Comfort View Plus, and NVIDIA G-Sync Plus Advanced Optimus, ensuring smooth visuals and fast response times. Dive into your favorite games with visuals that come to life. Elevate your gaming experience with the 13th generation Intel Core i9-13900HK processor. With 14 cores, 24 MB L3 cache, and a turbo clock speed of 5.4 GHz, this processor delivers unparalleled computing power. Enjoy efficient workflows, faster load times, and a responsive system that keeps up with your gaming demands. The Alienware X16R1 is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, featuring 12 GB GDDR6 memory. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals, whether you're exploring vast gaming landscapes or engaging in intense battles. The graphics card ensures a level of realism that takes your gaming to new heights. Experience peak performance without compromising on cooling. The thermal design of this thin gaming laptop maximizes airflow, expelling warm air through vents on the sides while drawing in cooler air from the top of the keyboard. Enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about overheating. With 32 GB of LPDDR5 integrated memory, the Alienware X16R1 takes your gaming performance to the next level. Enjoy faster load times, smoother gameplay, and enhanced multitasking capabilities. The laptop ensures that every aspect of your gaming experience is optimized for maximum performance. In summary, the Alienware X16R1 gaming laptop is a gaming marvel, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Immerse yourself in the world of gaming innovation and elevate your gaming sessions to new heights. Welcome to the future of gaming laptops, where power meets performance. Securing the second spot is the Dell Latitude 9440. Business professionals, this one's for you. The Latitude 9440 combines business functionality with innovative features, making it the ideal choice for those who demand both style and substance in their laptops. Discover the epitome of versatility and performance with the Dell Latitude 9440. This 14-inch touchscreen convertible 2-in-1 notebook redefines the way you experience computing, blending power, style, and functionality seamlessly. Experience lightning-fast speeds and peak performance with the Intel Core i7 13th Gen 1365U Deca-Core 1.80 GHz processor. Whether you're tackling demanding tasks or diving into intense gaming sessions, this processor ensures a responsive and efficient computing experience. With a massive 32 GB of RAM, the Latitude 9440 allows users to run multiple programs simultaneously without sacrificing execution speed. Enjoy seamless multitasking, switch between applications effortlessly, and experience a new level of productivity. The 14-inch QHD Plus touchscreen display, with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, offers a visual feast for your eyes. Immerse yourself in vibrant colors, sharp details, and an enhanced movie-watching experience. The Infinity Edge design, coupled with Corning Gorilla Glass, ensures durability and a sleek visual appeal. Store your essential documents, files, favorite songs, movies, and pictures with ease, thanks to the generous 512 GB SSD capacity. The SSD not only provides ample storage but also contributes to faster data access, quick boot times, and an overall responsive system. Navigate the Latitude 9440 with the user-friendly Windows 11 Pro operating system. Benefit from enhanced features, security, and a user interface designed to elevate your overall computing experience. The Latitude 9440 comes equipped with anti-reflection and anti-smudge technologies, ensuring a clear and pristine display. The Infinity Edge design minimizes bezels for an immersive viewing experience. In summary, the Dell Latitude 9440 is a powerhouse that seamlessly transforms from a laptop to a tablet, offering unparalleled versatility. From the powerful Intel Core i7 processor to the immersive touchscreen display and ample storage, this 2-in-1 notebook is designed to meet the demands of modern computing. Elevate your computing experience with the Latitude 9440, where innovation meets practicality. And now, claiming the throne at number 1 is the Dell XPS 15. Considered the apex of laptop excellence, the XPS 15 combines raw power, stunning visuals, and a sleek design. Whether you're a creative professional or a tech enthusiast, the XPS 15 sets the standard for what a laptop should be. Elevate your computing experience with the Dell XPS 15 9520, the latest 2022 model that stands as a premium flagship ultrabook gaming laptop. Merging cutting-edge technology with sleek design, this laptop delivers unparalleled performance for both work and play. Experience lightning-fast speeds and multitasking capabilities with the 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. Boasting 24 MB cache and up to 4.7 GHz clock speed across 14 cores, this powerhouse ensures optimal performance. Benefit from swift data access and efficient multitasking with the 512 GB PCIe SSD storage. The 16 GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 4800 MHz further enhances the overall responsiveness of the system. Immerse yourself in the 15.6-inch FHD Plus display featuring a resolution of 1920 by 1200. The anti-glare coating and 500 nit brightness ensure a vivid, glare-free viewing experience, making it perfect for both work and gaming. Elevate your gaming and graphics-intensive tasks with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU. Featuring 4 GB GDDR6 memory and 40W power, it delivers stunning visuals and smooth performance. Stay connected with advanced wireless technology. The Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6 AX211 2x2 ensures fast and reliable connectivity, while Bluetooth 5.2 enhances wireless. Enjoy versatile connectivity options with Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C, ports that support DisplayPort and power delivery. The laptop also features a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone/microphone combo jack. The laptop's elegant design is characterized by a platinum silver exterior and a sophisticated black interior, delivering a premium look that matches its high-end performance. The 6-cell 86Wh battery ensures extended usage without compromising performance. The package includes a Dell 130W USB-C adapter and DA20 adapter for convenient charging. In summary, the Dell XPS 15 9520 redefines the standards of a premium ultrabook gaming laptop. With a perfect blend of power, elegance, and advanced features, it stands as a flagship device that caters to the needs of demanding users. Experience the future of computing with Dell XPS 15 9520. There you have it, our top 5 best Dell laptops of 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and check the links in the description for more details on these fantastic laptops. Elevate your tech game with these Dell wonders. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech savvy. Explore more tech wonders with us. Subscribe now for the latest in Dell laptops and other cutting-edge tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next tech adventure.